Hello everyone and welcome to my video. I'm Dr. Mahdi Dadfar. Today in this video we will learn how to grow mango at home or garden. At the end of this video, if you like it, please push the like, press the subscribe button and also share it with your friends. Now let's start the video. Here you can see the mango seed. In the middle of every mango there is a big seed. In next step we need to open it, we need to make a split and take the inner seed out. For this purpose we can use a knife. We need to use a sharp knife. Please be careful, inner seed shouldn't damage. You can see the inner seed. In next step we need to wrap it in a wet tissue. We use a wet tissue and wrap it in a wet tissue. Then we put it in a plastic bag and we need to close the plastic bag. And when we use plastic bag, we can be sure that the tissue will be always wet, and we need to leave it in we need to leave it in room temperature, and after 2 weeks you can see that it has sprouted and it's time to transplant it in soil. Approximately 3 weeks passed. Now let's have a look at the seed. Now I have a seed with a line root. Here you can see the root and also lots of leaves. Now it's time to plant it in soil. And first you need to make a hole. Definitely root should be completely inside of soil. And it's better to cover the surface of seed with soil. Now I try to water the seed, and it's better to leave it in a sunny area. For outside, if outside it's hot, it's not cold, you can leave it outside, and you can also leave it in balcony in a sunny area. And now after 1 month, I would say now we have a baby mango tree with lots of leaves, and one of them is much bigger than rest of them. And if you have a garden and outside weather is nice and it's not cold, I suggest you to try to plant it, try to transplant it in garden. And after a few years, definitely you can harvest mango. Hope you found this video useful, and if you have any comment or question, you can write it below in comment section. You can also hit the bell. In this case, you will get notification whenever I publish a new video. And at the end, please don't forget that life is short and enjoy it. Thank you so much and bye.